If you are looking for the best motorcycle backpack, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Mardingtop 25L, 28L, 35L motorcycle backpacks. The multifunctional Mardingtop 25L, 35L tactical backpack small hiking daypack is designed for everything from camping to daily use and is ideal for motorcycle use. It is made from water-resistant 600D polyester and uses YKK zippers on all the main compartments. The large back compartment can be used as a hydration compartment. It can hold a 2.5-liter water bladder, with the tube being fed through a purpose-built hole near the grab handle at the top of the bag. Alternatively, the compartment is ideal for carrying a laptop up to 17 inches. Number 2. Ogio 123,007.36 motorcycle backpack. The Ogio 123,007.36 no-drag Mach 3 motorcycle backpack is single-shot molded to create a streamlined exterior that will not deform from wind shear. The backpack is water-resistant, and the shoulder gasket is designed to fit your body perfectly. It includes bolstered back foam for comfort and increased ventilation. The soft neck shoulder strap makes it comfortable to wear while riding and does not damage the exterior of your helmet. The straps are fully adjustable, padded, and feature quick-release buckles. The backpack also features 360-degree reflective piping, a removable off-center hip belt, a large main compartment, and a fleece-lined zippered personal Number 3. Badass Motogear Cool Motorcycle Backpack. This motorcycle travel backpack with helmet holder by Badass Motogear is a lightweight bag that is designed for riders but is also ideal for camping and trekking. The durable bag comes complete with adjustable straps, reflective piping, and a detachable mesh bag that is large enough to hold a full-face helmet. It also contains a padded laptop sleeve, multiple small exterior zippered pockets, and a large vented accessory compartment. Overall, we can say that this is a nice motorcycle backpack that you can buy without any kind of hesitation. Number 4. Harley-Davidson BP1924S Men's Skull Backpack. Made from 5 different nylon and poly-nylon blends, the Harley-Davidson Men's Skull Backpack is designed to be durable and long-lasting. The bag features a bar and amp, shield ghost print and contrast color piping. It has 6 pockets of varying sizes and comes complete with a headphone port for an MP3 player. The backpack features a foam-lined laptop pocket, leather zip pulls, and a leather handle. This is certainly a very useful motorcycle backpack that could be your partner during your riding time. Number 5. CUCYMA Motorcycle Backpack. The no-drag mold design of the motorcycle backpack by CUCYMA makes it perfect for wearing when riding, even in windy conditions. The backpack is made from water-resistant nylon with a carbon fiber reinforced body. It includes reflective piping for improved visibility at night and improves aerodynamics by conforming to body shape. The backpack also includes bolstered back foam for increased ventilation and soft neck shoulder straps to prevent helmet scratching. The straps are all adjustable and the sternum strap is removable. The zippers are electroplated, so they are wear and corrosion resistant. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.